This is
for an asymmetric design that combined all of those factors to create a sleek and modern look. Trivae is perfect for use when cooking in your kitchen and serving at the dinner table. Whether it's a formal dinner party or a casual barbecue, it's appealing in a variety of settings. It works great for chefs in professional kitchens. And it's also perfect for catering or in a restaurant setting for elevating dishes like a pizza. Because this product is so versatile, we're still coming up with new uses for it.
Cooking should be a joy. It's more than just a means to a meal, it's a tangible experience. It's a chance to create, to decompress, to connect. It doesn't take special training to find joy in cooking at home. No matter where you're starting, anyone can make a meal they're proud of. But ask any chef and they'll tell you the most important tool in the process is your chef's knife.
I'm not a professional chef, but I love to cook. I love cooking at home for friends and family. And over the years, I've found how much more enjoyable it is when I have the right tools. This is especially true when it comes to having a really great chef's knife.
What you do in the kitchen mostly involves your chef knife. All the prepping, cutting, slicing, and all that stuff, it can feel like a chore if you've got a crummy knife. Whereas when you've got a really good chef knife, it feels good, you look forward to it. To help bring joy back to the kitchen, we spent the last 2 years creating what we believe is the best chef knife in its class, the Concord chef knife.
It all starts with the core. We wanted to make an incredibly sharp knife that would stay sharp for a long time without sharpening. That's why we chose to use Osten Steel, produced only in Tsubame, Japan, known the world over for its ability to hold an edge.
Next, we focused on balance. A well-balanced knife will feel like an extension of your hand. You'll instantly notice the way the knife seems to know what you want it to do. In fact, kan in Japanese means intuition or sixth sense, and we named it that because we wanted a blade that would do exactly what you wanted it to do.
And of course we wanted this knife to be beautiful. The OS10 core is clad between 66 layers of Damascus stainless steel and is paired with your choice of beautiful dark ebony wood or an extremely durable G10 composite handle.
Once we had a design we were happy with, we gave the Concore chef knife to some professionals to put it to the test and get their feedback.
I like the Con knife because it's very meticulously balanced. It has a great rocker action on it, razor sharp, and very easy to maintain.
So I've been using the Concourse Chef knife for about a month now. Haven't had to sharpen it at all. I'll take it to the hone it every day, but stays really sharp, feels great in the hand. It's a really comfortable knife to use. It's weighted beautifully.
This knife, sharpen it once, holds its edge, doesn't need a lot of maintenance.
It was extremely sharp, which is what we want. You could take that super ripe tomato and just slice it, paper thin slices.
Stand in the daily grind that I have to go through of working with this thing in my hand all the time, and the way it fits, the way it balances, the way it's sharp, it's a pretty cool knife.
We really want to get people back into the kitchen and enjoy the benefits of home cooking. Now maybe you'll eat a little healthier or save some money, but it's all about cooking and sharing a piece of you with the people that you love. There's no better way to build relationships than sharing a good meal together.
But we really need your help. OS10 Steel is only produced in Tsubame, Japan. By placing a large enough order, we'll be able to bring down the cost on these knives. A knife like this would normally cost hundreds of dollars, but by cutting out the middleman and going directly through Kickstarter, we'll be able to get this knife into as many hands as possible because we want you to love the way you cook.
The food is incredible and you just wouldn't be able to achieve it in any other way.
It looks so rad in my camper.
I love helping Daddy make the pizzas.
Roccbox is now ready for mass production, and our manufacturing partner is on standby waiting.
In order to sell Roccbox at an affordable cost, we have high minimum order quantities.
We need your support to be able to place our initial orders to get Roccbox into homes all over the world. If you would like to be part of the cause and be first to have your hands on Roccbox, please back our campaign and share it with your friends and family. Thanks for taking the time to check out our video, and welcome to the world of wood-fired cooking.